It will be a surplusage, kalabisan. It will be a redundancy, paulit-ulit na. And it is totally unnecessary, hindi na kailangan. Sapagkat yung aming purpose kung bakit isasalang si Attorney Zuleika Lopez at ganun din si Captain Belinda Bello ay na-cover na ng testimonya ng dalawang naunang witnesses in the person of NBI agent Kalilong and Attorney Lotok yung kahapon, no? Nakatulong din sa amin yung paulit-ulit na admissions ng defense pertaining to the presence of, the authenticity, genuineness of the subject video of November 23, 2026. At malaking bagay din itong mga naging clarificatory questions ng ating mga senator judges. Pinoint out kahapon ni Attorney Kapunan, huwag tayong malilito. This is impeachment trial where the ground is culpable violation of the Constitution, high crime, and betrayal of public trust, and not threat as a criminal offense, no? Hindi po ito criminal proceeding. Ito po ay impeachment trial, no? I think it was clearly laid down, Alvin, and we're happy that even the impeachment court in the person of Senate President Win Gatchalian and our presiding officer, Cheese Escudero, Senator Cheese Escudero, positively took the manifestation or position of the defense, of the prosecution rather.
Apo, pero syempre, sabi naman ng iba, alam nyo naman yan, na magsusunod-sunod, hindi naman yung kahapon lang dinesisyonan na ganyan ang pagkakasalansan ng testigo o ng witness for the prosecution. So baka yung duda ng iba, may iba pang dahilan kung bakit winidraw yung dalawa, Congresswoman Jerville.
What you see is what you get, no? At kagaya ng sinabi ni Attorney Kapunan, eto, naririnig ko sa aming private prosecutors, we should know when to stop, no? Kapag na-establish na yung gusto natin, we should know when to present and when not to present, no? Merong mga ganyang usap-usapan, but we totally deny that. We're very much focused on establishing threat, distab, and even having contracted an assassin as constituting the impeachable grounds, no? At wala po sa mga considerations natin yung mga ganong usap-usapang natakot. I think it was very well explained by Attorney Kapunan yesterday, even during her press con, no? Kasi supposed to be, sinabi naman niya to, siya talaga yon na dapat magsasalang kay Attorney Zuleika. And it was never the reason kung bakit dinispense na yung testimony nila. The plain and clear reason is, yung sasabihin ni Zuleika, yung sasabihin ni Captain Bello ay na-cover na ng testimonya ng dalawang naunang witnesses, including the cross-examination of the defense.